Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on Mazda 3. This model is 2012, but this same procedure work on 2009 to 2014. Okay, turn the ignition on. This will show the service due, clear the maintenance data. Okay, to start the procedure, ignition on the steering button. On the right side of the steering wheel, there's a scroll button. Need to scroll down to bring the maintenance highlighted on the screen. Press the enter. Scroll down to the service due. Press enter. And now there's a remaining mileage and the remaining days are 0. We need to press enter again. Highlight set. Press enter. We're going to reset the distance first. Press distance. Okay, so 12,500. That is a okay mileage for the service. We press enter again. So now we have a service due remaining 12,500 miles and 365 days. Whichever come first, it will bring up the service due message on the screen again. Okay, that's all set. What we have to do, we have on the steering wheel, we have to press back, turn the ignition off. Okay, and to check again to see if the service light is resetted, turn ignition on, and there's no message. There's no message for the service due. It's all set. Okay, just going to show you the procedure on how the auto data recommend. You can stop this, pause this screen, and you can read this instruction for you as well. Okay, if you like the video, give a thumb up please, and if you want, you can subscribe to channel for the future videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.